Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's mid-February 2026 right now, and the rumors around Google's next foldable are heating up fast. Today we're diving deep into the Google Pixel 11 Pro Fold, the third-generation Pixel foldable, internally codenamed Yogi, or 9Y Eifer. That's shaping up to be a serious upgrade over the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. This is all based on the latest leaks from reliable sources like PhoneArena, Android Central, Tom's Guide, and supply chain reports. So keep in mind nothing is official yet. But the picture is coming together nicely for an expected launch in mid to late August 2026. Likely at Google's big summer hardware event alongside the regular Pixel 11, Pixel 11 Pro, and Pro XL. Pricing in the US is rumored to start around $1,799 to $1,899 for the base 256GB model, possibly climbing to $1,999 or $2,199 for higher storage like 512GB or 1TB. Pretty much in line with the previous generation's launch price, though some leaks hint at a slight bump for the bigger battery and hardware tweaks. In places like Pakistan or India, expect it to land higher due to taxes and import costs. Maybe in the rupee 1.65 lakh to 2.05 lakh range or equivalent. Starting with the design and build, the Pixel 11 Pro Fold should feel noticeably thinner and lighter than before, thanks to an improved hinge that's more durable and less creaky. We're talking flat edges for better grip, the classic Pixel camera bar that's possibly a bit wider and more seamless, and a larger outer cover display, around 6.3 to 6.5 inches, so it's actually usable one-handed without unfolding every time. The inner unfolded screen is expected to be an impressive 8 to 8.5-inch LTPO OLED panel, with a resolution like 2076x2152, a smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, peak brightness up to 4000 nits for killer visibility outdoors, HDR10 Plus support, and a near crease-free feel from better folding tech. The outer screen gets 120 Hz, punch hole design, and solid brightness around 2000 nits. Build-wise, leaks point to an i69 rating for top-tier dust and high-pressure water resistance, weight somewhere between 230 to 250 grams, and color options like obsidian, porcelain, maybe a fresh hazel or rose variant. Under the hood is where things get really exciting. The processor is the Google Tensor G6, built on a super-efficient 2nm TSMC process, a big step up from the 3nm on the previous Tensor. This pairs with what looks like a MediaTek M95G modem for faster speeds, better connectivity, lower power draw, and even possible satellite features down the line. RAM jumps to 16GB LPDDR5X, storage options from 256GB up to 1TB on UFS 4. No expandable storage, of course. Performance leaks suggest around 15% better single-core and 11% multi-core gains, with way improved thermal management, so no more heavy throttling during long sessions. For gaming, this could finally make the Pixel Fold a solid contender. Expect stable 60 FPS in Genshin Impact on high settings for 45+ minutes without major drops, 90 FPS in PUBG Mobile or BGMI on Ultra with minimal frame loss, 60 to 120 FPS in Call of Duty Warzone Mobile depending on settings, and locked 120 FPS in lighter titles like Asphalt 9 or Roblox. Sustained performance should be 30 to 40% better overall, with much less heat buildup. Cameras are Pixel's biggest strength, and the Pro Fold should finally get no-compromise flagship-level hardware here. The rear triple setup is rumored at 48MP or 50MP main, with OIS and pixel shift for sharp details, 48MP ultra-wide, and 48MP 5x optical telephoto, matching what the slab Pixel 11 Pro models get. You'll have 4060 FPS video, Ultra HDR, Best Take, Magic Editor, Zoom Enhance, Night Sight Video, and exciting new AI tools like Video Relight to change lighting in clips, Cinematic Blur at 4030 FPS, ultra-low light video processing fully on device, and possibly 100x Super Rays zoom via machine learning. Front cameras go dual. A 12MP on the outer cover and another 12MP inner one, likely punch hole or under display, both supporting 4060 FPS selfies and group calls. This setup should deliver the best photos and videos on any foldable, especially for AI editing and low-light magic. Battery life has been a weak spot in past Pixel folds, but leaks are promising big fixes. Capacity rumors vary from around 5050 mAh up to 6000 mAh, with most pointing to something like 550 mAh in a new repairable design. Google has a patent for a non-glued slide-in battery with a metal frame, making replacements easier at service centers instead of glued-down nightmares. Charging stays at 30W wired for 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes, 15W wireless with KitWo, plus reverse wired and wireless. In real-world use, expect 8 to 10 hours of screen-on time for normal stuff like social media, browsing, and calls. 6 to 7 hours on heavy gaming or video, 14+ hours of straight streaming, and super low standby drain thanks to the efficient Tensor G6. During intense gaming, drain might hit 8 to 10% every 30 minutes on high settings, a solid improvement. Software-wise, it launches on Android 17 with a full 7 years of OS and security updates, taking you all the way to 2033. Full Gemini AI suite is baked in live translate, call screening, Pixel Studio, advanced video generation, and more. Other goodies include fast side fingerprint sensor, improved face unlock, NFC, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6, USB-C 3.2. No headphone jack though. Comparing it head-to-head, versus the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, you get a bigger, brighter 144Hz inner screen, matched flagship cameras instead of downgraded ones, the much better Tensor G6 for less heat and stronger gaming, larger battery with that repairable twist, thinner hinge, and larger outer display. It's a clear winner and the upgrade most people waiting for. Against Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 expected in July 2026 at similar pricing around $1,799 to $1,999. Samsung might edge out in raw power with a Snapdragon chip, possible S Pen support, ultra-thin body under 200G, and faster charging. But Pixel pulls ahead in camera quality and consistency, cleaner Android experience, longer guaranteed updates, superior repairability, satellite potential, and brighter screens. If photography, AI features, and pure software matter most, Pixel takes it. If you want stylus multitasking and the slimmest profile, Samsung still leads. Versus other foldables like OnePlus Open 3 or Vivo X Fold series, Pixel crushes on software longevity and camera reliability, while now holding its own in battery and gaming thanks to the Tensor upgrades. Pros stack up strong. Best-in-class cameras on a foldable, huge efficiency and battery jumps, 144Hz inner plus 120Hz outer displays, 7 years of updates with clean Android, repairable battery and high IP rating, killer AI tools. On the cons side, Tensor G6 isn't the absolute fastest for ultra-hardcore gaming benchmarks. 30W charging feels average in 2026. It's still a premium price, and will need real hands-on to confirm hinge durability long-term. Overall, from everything leaking so far, the Pixel 11 Pro Fold looks like it finally addresses the old weaknesses: battery, performance, cameras, repairability, and could easily become one of the best foldables of 2026 if you value AI, photos, and that pure Pixel software vibe. Are you holding out for this one, or leaning toward Samsung? Which spec excites you the most? The bigger battery, 144Hz screen, or those cameras? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like if this helped, subscribe and hit the bell for updates when official details drop in August. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.